Today we're going to assemble the MoFi Electronics MasterDeck turntable from start to finish. This combination comes with a factory-mounted MoFi Ultra Gold moving coil cartridge, but I will also walk you through cartridge mounting and alignment should you choose to put your own on. Overall, MoFi is known for having their turntables shipped to you about 75% already assembled. You will start by taking out the manual, the RCA interconnects and turntable accessories, the power supply, the IEC power cord, the cartridge accessories, and the Tonearm itself. This Tonearm has a sensitive unipivot construction, so it's important when handling to grab it by the base. Next, we will take out the plinth. Make sure you have a flat, level surface to place your turntable on before you begin assembly. It's important for the overall playback performance. Now unpack the platter. You'll notice the strap with the brass screws to help you lift and lower onto the spindle of the turntable. Start by taking the spindle cap off and with the supplied grease applicator, remove excess grease from the spindle. This will ensure that your platter settles properly. Now remove the carrying strap. Install the record spindle using the 3 included screws and Allen key. Install the belt into the groove of the motor pulley and into the lower groove of the platter. Give your platter a little spin to ensure it is settled and smooth. Now it's time to install the Tonearm. When unpacking the Tonearm, be careful of the head shell lever poking through the bag. Place the Tonearm in the base, aligning the slot with the pin. Tighten the screw on the collar to secure the arm in place. When you get this package with the cartridge, the VTA is factory set. Plug in the Tonearm cable aligning the pins. Install the cable strap on the back of the turntable. Make sure your turntable is sitting level. You can adjust the feet if needed. Connect the AC power into the back of the turntable. Use the IEC plug to plug into the power supply. You'll see a blue light. Press the power button to start the platter. The calibration process will begin. Once it's complete, the turntable will power off. Now you can choose your starting speed. Turn the turntable on, and the turntable will let you know once it is up to that speed. Since this package has a factory-mounted cartridge, you can remove the stickers from the Tonearm. Make sure the anti-skate string is in the groove of its wheel. Remove the tape from the cartridge and carefully remove the stylus guard. If you have a scale, you can always double check or fine-tune your vertical tracking force. This is done by lowering the cartridge onto the scale, reading the weight, raise the arm, increase or decrease weight with the counterweight. Now we will go through cartridge alignment. Connect the cable leads to the corresponding pins on the back of the cartridge. Take your mounting screws and place in the head shell slots and tighten down snug, but do not over tighten. Check the weight so you don't damage the stylus during alignment. Back off the weight if it's too heavy, and always check your cartridge specifications for the vertical tracking force recommended. Take out your alignment tool. I am using the Dr. Fikert Alignment Protractor. Make sure your Tonearm is set to the correct pivot to spindle position. Move the cartridge until the stylus sits exactly on the reference points, while the cartridge body remains parallel to the guidelines. You may have to do this a few times. The Dr. Fikert protractor gives you 3 steps to check for best outer groove and inner groove distortion. Once you're happy, lock the cartridge in place. Now we will check the azimuth. I like to use the Analog Productions test pressing and phasgometer. If your left and right channel is off, loosen the head shell screw and rotate for azimuth adjustment. Now we will adjust the vertical tracking angle. To raise or lower the VTA, loosen the screw on the Tonearm collar. Simply rotate the nut up or down. A good idea for VTA is keeping the top of the cartridge body parallel to the platter. Lock the Tonearm back in place. Check your vertical tracking force one last time using the scale. Now you're ready to spin records.